This is Romel's Royal Recap Review Reaction in 1 minute of Drag Race Philippines Station Royale Episode 3. Timer starts now. Okay, so ang mini challenge nila was Kep Kep Bouvet, which is an iteration of Hepe Pore na very unhinged and nakakatawa talaga siya, and si Breeding ang nanalo doon. So, ang main challenge nila was a design challenge when they have to design a look na using fossilized cacao leaves. And so, Vinyas had the best look, super divine, and madami nangyayari pero hindi magulo. Very, basta pasabog. Kitty Space also had the second best look for me. Pasok sa branding yung Kitty Space. And Brigading should have been in the top for me, I guess. And ang bottom was Ivory and Arizona. But I think si Siam, hi Siam, dapat siya yung nasa bottom with Ivory. And sana si Panjina and si Jervy or si Kaladkaren, dapat nasa every episode sila. Sobrang galing nila mag-critique. Very pasabog nung very concise yan. So, ang lip sync nila was wina-wina by Panjina and nanalo si Vinyas and not ligwak si Ivory Glaze. I still think Vinyas is gonna win this season. And time's up. Yan. So,
Ako, diba? Challenge sa sarili.
pero,
Diba? Pabulol na din ako ng pabulol. Go Black Knight!
correct. So, yan ang ating recap ng Kayo ba mga bet, sino ang bet nyo manalo if you are watching? Ano?